Hey there, it's great to see you. Today, we're going to talk about how 3D printing can actually boost your self-esteem in some amazing ways. First off, 3D printing allows you to express your creativity in ways you never thought possible. Whether it's creating intricate sculptures or personalized jewelry, the possibilities are endless. This can be a great confidence booster as you see your ideas come to life right in front of you. Next, 3D printing can also help you develop new skills. From designing models on the computer to troubleshooting printing issues, you'll be constantly learning and growing. As you become more proficient in using the technology, your self-confidence will soar. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your self-esteem, consider giving 3D printing a try. Not only will you create amazing things, but you'll also build valuable skills and confidence along the way. Remember, you're capable of amazing things, and 3D printing is just one way to showcase your talents. Keep creating and believing in yourself. Hey there, blockchain beginners. If you're just starting out in the world of blockchain technology, there are 3 essential habits you need to learn right now to set yourself up for success. First and foremost, make it a habit to stay curious and continuously educate yourself about blockchain. This rapidly evolving technology requires you to stay informed about the latest trends, updates, and developments in the industry. Next, practice good security habits when it comes to your blockchain assets. Always use secure passwords, enable 2-factor authentication, and store your private keys in a safe place. Remember, in the world of blockchain, security is paramount. And finally, make a habit of networking and connecting with other blockchain enthusiasts. By joining online communities, attending meetups, and engaging with like-minded individuals, you'll gain valuable insights, support, and opportunities for collaboration. So there you have it, 3 essential habits that every blockchain beginner must learn right now. Keep learning, stay secure, and connect with others in the blockchain community. You're on your way to becoming a blockchain pro. Uplifting ending sentence. Embrace these habits, and watch your blockchain knowledge and skills grow exponentially. Happy blockchain learning! Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm here to share with you 5 simple ways to boost success for your neural networks. The first step is to ensure you have high-quality data for training your neural network. Garbage in, garbage out, as they say. Clean and relevant data is key to successful training. Next, make sure to properly pre-process your data. This includes tasks like normalization, scaling, and handling missing values. By cleaning up your data before feeding it into your network, you can improve its performance significantly. Lastly, consider ensembling different neural network architectures. Combining different models can often lead to better performance than using a single model alone. Remember, success with neural networks is all about experimentation and fine-tuning. By following these 5 simple tips, you can boost your network's success and achieve better results. Happy coding! Keep on learning and innovating, and you'll be on your way to neural network mastery in no time. Happy coding!
Hey there, friends! Today, we're going to talk about mastering AI and how your mindset can truly make a difference in this ever-evolving digital world. First and foremost, let's remember that AI is a tool that can greatly enhance our capabilities, but it's important to have the right mindset when approaching it. Instead of seeing AI as a threat to our jobs, we can view it as a partner that can help us work more efficiently and creatively. Secondly, it's crucial to stay curious and open-minded when it comes to learning about AI. Embracing new technologies and staying up to date with the latest advancements can give us a competitive edge and help us adapt to the changing landscape of the digital world. Remember, mastering AI is not just about technical skills, but also about having the right mindset. By approaching AI with a positive and growth-oriented attitude, we can unlock its full potential and achieve great things together. So, let's embrace the power of AI and let our mindset guide us towards success.
Hey there, quantum enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of quantum computing and uncovering the secret power of habits in this revolutionary technology. Did you know that habits play a crucial role in how quantum computers operate? Just like how habits shape our daily lives, the behavior of particles in a quantum system is governed by patterns and routines. By understanding and harnessing these habits, scientists are able to optimize the performance of quantum algorithms and achieve groundbreaking results. Imagine a world where complex calculations are solved in seconds, where data encryption is virtually impenetrable, all thanks to the power of habits in quantum computing. It's truly mind-blowing to see how these small, repetitive actions can have such a profound impact on the future of technology. So next time you think about habits, remember that they are not just limited to our daily routines. They also hold the key to unlocking the true potential of quantum computing. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and who knows what incredible discoveries lie ahead. The possibilities are endless. Uplifting ending sentence. Let's embrace the power of habits and pave the way for a quantum future like never before. Quantum computing.